G'day, I'm Dr. Philip Button from the Food Entrepreneurship Academy. I'm here at the University of Sydney's main campus in Sydney in Camperdown, which is Australia's oldest university. And behind me is the Michael Spence building on City Road. Now, Michael Spence was the principal and vice-chancellor of this great university from 2008 to 2020. And this building here behind me, the Michael Spence building, was named after the eminent Michael Spence. So what I want to talk to you about in this particular video is about a particular test that's used in consumer sensory analysis. And the test I'm talking about is the triangle test. So there, in another video, I have mentioned about two types of sensory analysis. One is a trained sensory panel, and another one is a consumer tests for consumer testing. And what I want to go through today is about the triangle test in particular. So basically, the triangle test is having three samples, each which looks the same, or appears the same to the person doing the analysis, but are actually different. So one of them is different, whereas two of them are the same. And the idea is that they're used by food scientists, formulators, who want to change something slightly, but want to have the product look the same, or smell the same, or taste the same, but have a slight change in formulation. So they add the old and the new, which look the same, and see how many people can actually pick the odd one out. So I've got an example down here of three samples, which are randomly numbered, and that's the way it would normally go. So we've got 378201 and 986 there. Now, to the person doing the test, doing the sensory analysis test, each one of these looks the same, or tastes the same, or in whichever format, whichever sensory attribute are the same. But to the person who's administering the test, they know that one of these is actually different. And it's up to the person who is doing the analysis to try and pick out which one if they can. So in this particular case, you would hope that the person doing the test does not pick out does not spot the difference. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to try and have all of them the same and have a consumer sensory panel not pick out the odd one. And basically, in that case, if you do enough testing that's statistically valid, then what you would have is, if you're below that particular threshold, then you can say that, well, a certain amount of people did not identify the odd one out, and therefore it's most likely not possible that it will be picked up as a change, as a sensory change by the general population, or the sensory, sensory perception of the people that you're marketing to, your target audience for that particular product. So that's just one example of consumer sensory testing. There are a range of other different types of testing that can be done, but just as an example, we just wanted to go through the basic principles and how it would actually work in practice, the triangle test. So thanks very much for listening. It's Dr. Philip Button here at the University of Sydney in front of the Michael Spence building on facing City Road. And thank you very much. I look forward to your attendance at another one of our videos. Thanks very much, and I'll see you around. Bye.